everyone. Today we have a technical question from Swaroop Menon. He's asked this question that if an exalted retro planet is not having cancellation of exaltation, how would the planet behave? In the same way, if the debilitated retrograde planet is not having a cancellation of debilitation, how would the planet behave? Sir, I guess what you mean is what kind of results will it give and which houses would it cover while giving its results? That is something, Swaroopji, very clearly mentioned in all classical texts, and Faldipika has an entire chapter dedicated to it, not just of the retrograde planet, but all the planets. Or specifically for a retrograde planet, it will be behaving very strongly because retrogression is a power that gives it intense energy, and it is mentioned in the Shadbalas as cheshtable. So a retrograde planet has cheshtable of one rupa, which is very strong, and hence it has the intensity to give a lot more. Now, where will it give? How will it give? So it gives the results of the houses that it is posited in, and it gives the result of the houses that it owns. So if somebody has a retrograde 6th Lord Jupiter posited in Capricorn, that means that if it is a Cancer Lagna and Jupiter is debilitated in the 7th house and it's a retrograde planet, it's a lord of the 6th house and the 9th house. So this Jupiter will be giving the results of very strongly the 7th house, that can be partners in life. So the person could have something to give to partners. It will give the results of the 6th house. Your workers, people working under you, you could be indebted to them. You could be doing things for them, or they could be doing things for you. And you could be having a very strong bond with the Lord of your 9th house, that is your parents, your father in specific, and your guru could be having a very strong hold over you, or you could be very much attached to them. So these are the places where this Jupiter will give very strong results about, and you could be benefiting from the advice of your guru or your father also. Now again, there's a case where Saturn is exalted in the Lagna, the Libra Lagna, and it's the lord of the 4th and the 5th houses. This Yoga Karaka Saturn, if again becomes very strong by virtue of being retrograde, it gets strength in terms of cheshtable, and so this Saturn will give one the energy to serve the masses, very rightly, to speak what is correct, to do things for others in a very nice manner. But this might so also happen that the person can be a little lazy. He would or she would need somebody to take them out of that stupor. That is something that can go with this Saturn. So your technical questions are always welcome. Do write to us about technical questions.